Liquid gold celebrating maize oil. Maize oil, often referred to as corn oil, is a true gem in the culinary world. Extracted from the germ of corn kernels, this oil has found its way into kitchens around the globe, becoming a staple for both amateur cooks and professional chefs alike. Maize oil, also known as corn oil, is a kitchen staple. Its light texture and neutral flavor make it incredibly versatile, allowing it to be used in a wide range of dishes without overpowering the other ingredients. Whether you're frying, baking, or sautéing, maize oil is up to the task. It's a versatile oil with a neutral flavor. This neutrality is one of its greatest strengths, as it allows the natural flavors of your ingredients to shine through. Imagine preparing a delicate fish dish or a vibrant vegetable stir-fry. Maize oil ensures that the primary flavors remain the stars of the show. This makes it perfect for various cooking needs. From grilling juicy steaks at a summer barbecue to preparing a light and healthy salad dressing, maize oil's adaptability is unmatched. Its high smoke point also means it can handle the heat, making it ideal for high-temperature cooking methods like frying and grilling. Maize oil is also celebrated for its health benefits. Rich in polyunsaturated fats, it can help reduce bad cholesterol levels when used in place of saturated fats. Additionally, it's a good source of vitamin E, an antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage. It's naturally cholesterol-free and a good source of vitamin E. This makes it a heart-healthy choice for those looking to maintain a balanced diet. The presence of vitamin E also contributes to skin health, making maize oil a beneficial addition to your daily cooking routine. From sautéing vegetables to baking delicious treats, maize oil is a true kitchen hero. Its ability to blend seamlessly into both savory and sweet dishes makes it a versatile ingredient that can be used in everything from stir-fries to cakes. Imagine the aroma of freshly baked goods made with maize oil wafting through your kitchen. Maize oil's neutral flavor profile ensures it doesn't overpower delicate ingredients. This is particularly important when working with herbs and spices, as it allows their unique flavors to come through without interference. Whether you're making a delicate herb-infused oil or a spicy marinade, maize oil is the perfect carrier. Its high smoke point makes it suitable for high-heat cooking methods. This means you can confidently use it for frying, grilling, and even roasting without worrying about the oil breaking down and producing harmful compounds. It's a reliable choice for any cooking technique that requires sustained high temperatures. Whether you're frying, baking, or simply drizzling it over salads, maize oil is a reliable and healthy choice. Its versatility, health benefits, and neutral flavor make it an indispensable part of any kitchen. So next time you're cooking, reach for maize oil and experience the difference it can make in your culinary creations. Kernel of Truth quality maize matters. The journey from kernel to bottle is crucial for quality maize oil. Starting with high-quality maize is essential. Look for organic, non-GMO maize kernels. These kernels are free from harmful pesticides and genetically modified organisms. The quality of the maize directly impacts the flavor and nutritional value of the oil. Organically grown maize, free from chemical treatments, yields a purer and healthier oil. Always prioritize sourcing your maize from reputable suppliers who prioritize quality and sustainability. Gearing up tools of the trade. Before we embark on our oil extraction adventure, let's gather our tools. You'll need a blender, a fine mesh sieve, a cheesecloth, a large bowl, and an airtight container for storage. These simple tools will help us transform maize kernels into liquid gold. Each tool plays a crucial role in the process. The blender pulverizes the kernels, while the sieve and cheesecloth separate the solids from the precious oil. The airtight container ensures the oil's freshness and longevity. From kernel to kitchen extracting maize oil. Maize oil is a versatile and healthy oil that can be used in a variety of culinary applications. Today we will take you through the step-by-step process of extracting this golden goodness right in your own backyard. Now let's unlock the golden goodness hidden within these kernels. The journey begins with selecting the best quality maize kernels. Ensure they are organic and free from any pesticides or chemicals. This will not only give you a purer oil, but also a healthier one. Start by rinsing 2 cups of organic maize kernels under cold water. This step is crucial as it removes any dust or impurities that might be clinging to the kernels. Make sure to rinse them thoroughly until the water runs clear. Add the rinsed kernels to the blender and blend until you achieve a fine powder. Blending the kernels breaks them down and makes it easier to extract the oil. You might need to blend in batches if your blender is small. Transfer the maize powder to the cheesecloth-lined sieve. The cheesecloth acts as a filter, allowing the oil to pass through while holding back the solid particles. Make sure the cheesecloth is clean and dry before use. Gather the edges of the cheesecloth and squeeze tightly over the bowl. This is where the magic happens. As you twist and squeeze, the oil will start to separate from the maize meal. It might take some effort, but the result is worth it. The golden maize oil will slowly drip into the bowl, leaving behind the solid maize meal. You can use the leftover maize meal in various recipes, so nothing goes to waste. Congratulations, you've just extracted your own homemade maize oil. This oil can be used for cooking, baking, or even as a salad dressing. Enjoy the fruits of your labor and the rich, nutty flavor of your homemade maize oil. Section 5. Liquid Gold Standard. Storing your treasure. Proper storage is key to preserving the quality and freshness of your homemade maize oil. Transfer the extracted oil into an airtight container. Store it in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight and heat sources. Avoid storing the oil near strong-smelling foods, as it can absorb odors. With proper storage, your homemade maize oil can last for several months, retaining its flavor and nutritional value. Section 6. Culinary Canvas. Cooking with maize oil. Your homemade maize oil is ready to elevate your culinary creations. Its neutral flavor makes it incredibly versatile. Use it for sautéing, frying, baking, or even as a base for salad dressings. The high smoke point of maize oil makes it suitable for high-heat cooking methods. It's an excellent choice for frying, as it can withstand high temperatures without burning. Experiment with your homemade maize oil and discover its endless possibilities in the kitchen. Section 7. Health Harvest. Benefits of homemade maize oil. Homemade maize oil offers a plethora of health benefits. It's naturally cholesterol-free and low in saturated fat. It's a good source of vitamin E, an antioxidant that helps protect cells from damage. Consuming homemade maize oil in moderation can contribute to a healthy diet. It's important to note that excessive consumption of any oil can have adverse effects. Balance and moderation are key to reaping the health benefits of maize oil. Section 8. Golden Rules. Tips for Success. Here are a few golden rules to ensure success in your maize oil extraction endeavors. Always start with high-quality, organic maize kernels. Blend the kernels thoroughly to maximize oil extraction. Squeeze the cheesecloth tightly to extract every drop of precious oil. Store your homemade oil properly to preserve its freshness and flavor. Follow these rules and you'll be rewarded with golden homemade goodness. Section 9. A Toast to Tradition, Homemade Goodness. Making your own maize oil is a rewarding experience that connects you to culinary traditions. Imagine the satisfaction of knowing exactly where your ingredients come from, and the pride in creating something from scratch. The process of harvesting maize, extracting the oil and using it in your cooking, is not just about the end product, but about the journey and the memories you create along the way. It allows you to control the quality of ingredients and enjoy the freshest oil possible. By making your own maize oil, you can ensure that no preservatives or artificial additives are included. This means a healthier option for you and your family. Plus, the taste of freshly made maize oil is unparalleled, adding a unique and rich flavor to your dishes that store-bought oils simply can't match. So, gather your kernels, embrace the process, and savor the taste of homemade goodness. The act of preparing maize oil can be a fun and educational activity for the whole family. Children can learn about where their food comes from and the effort that goes into making it. It's a wonderful way to spend quality time together, working towards a common goal and enjoying the fruits of your labor. The next time you reach for maize oil, consider embarking on this simple yet rewarding DIY project. Not only will you have a superior product, but you'll also have a story to tell. Share your homemade oil with friends and family and watch their faces light up with delight. It's a gift that comes from the heart, made with love and care. You'll be amazed by the flavor and satisfaction that comes from creating something delicious and nutritious in your own kitchen. Homemade maize oil can elevate your cooking, making every meal a special occasion. So, why not give it a try? Embrace the tradition, enjoy the process, and relish the homemade goodness that you can share with those you love.